Well, good morning, y'all. I was gonna go over here and pull down my my little measuring tape. Funny thing was, I was watching that video, my little shoot 'em up video, Hammer Time, and I was tripping. I was like, man, Johnny, you missed a couple. But you know, if you watch, I put 2 through the same hole, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that wasn't too bad. I don't do much target practice because the shit's expensive. I don't like wasting the ammo, but you gotta stay, you gotta stay brushed up. You feel me? Yeah, clearly 2 through the same hole. Watch the video, you'll see it. Anyway, just putzing around. Got the girls settled in. Trying to get my mind right, man. This fresh air always helps me cool the fuck off, you know? Ooh, I got something to show you guys in the guest house. I gotta go looking for a snake. I've seen a bunch of snakes down in here eating the little mices, and they're all garden snakes kind of thing. But this snake skin that's in the house, fuck. I can't really tell what it is. Can you see it on the floor? I shit you not, right? And let's hope I don't hear a fucking rattle. Oh, look, you could even see the little fucking head. What a trip. Yeah, I don't get in here a whole lot, but how much you want to bet? Oh, shit. Well. Holy dog shit. What do we got there? Back up, Johnny. Let's flick on the fucking light, shall we? Make sure. Holy shit, I came walking in here. Oh, I thought that was the fucking snake. Are you laughing? Check it though. Look. Look, there's its little fucking head. I'm sure it's one of these little garden snakes. Yeah, it's gotta be. Ain't no rattlesnakes up here. Too motherfucking cold, I think. But what the fuck do I know? Snakey. I bet you it's in here where the furnace is, where it stays warm. I bet the fucking snake's down there somewhere. But life in the country, you feel me? Like I said, just out putzing around, trying to get my mind right. Get a little nature walk on. Ah! That is too fucking funny. Anyway, oh, turn the light off, dumbass. There we go. Yeah, time to open up shop. Yes, sir. Sexy. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, falling all over the fucking place. Get some daylight in this motherfucker. Man, boy, it's a good thing. I love my doggies more than I love my Harley. Otherwise, that thing wouldn't be going nowhere. But at my age, I ain't gonna be doing much riding anymore. Not to mention, I got another bike in Frisco. Yeah. I mean, welfare food stamps and cockroaches, no more. Oh, I hear something over here. Let's go see. Can you hear it? Oh, it's fucking water dripping. I thought it was a fucking crater. Incredible. You know, like I was saying the other day, I'd like to put a house here, and then one at the other end down there, leave the field in the middle for some misfits, right? Because I really want to build this place out, and if my neighbor didn't snake that trailer, that would have been for misfits, straight up. Wait till they get my next earful. Oh, you're probably watching, neighbor. That's right. Well, guess what? Johnny's going to put a fence all the way around that house. Enjoy your view. It'll be at least 8 feet tall. Let's see if I can get my mind right on a little nature walk. Half-ass cut a trail right here with the monster truck to get to the other side over there where there's a field that my new neighbor said grandpa used to grow potatoes, trying to tug on my heartstrings as to why they moved in there, which I think was all a fucking front. Yeah, neighbor, I don't believe anything you say. Ooh, how many critters do you think live in there? See, it's these big piles of shit that I gotta get handled. I want to turn this field perfectly flat without all this bullshit everywhere, which my new neighbor said they were gonna come plow this for me. Right? Another hand job. Yeah, I was gonna walk way the fuck over there, but I'm just not in the mood. Property goes beyond that corner that way, and then back that way a little bit. God, every time I look in this direction, I get mad because of that fucking trailer. I really got nobody to blame but me. But when I went to the courthouse for the auction, I was early, so I popped into a office next to the courthouse that said mortgage something, and I walked in there and I was talking to the dude and he said, look, man, whatever they auction that off for, don't pay more than 5 or 10 grand. It just ain't worth it. He goes, they're gonna ask a whole bunch of money, and he goes, I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but don't waste your money. And sure enough, they wanted 40 G's for that fucking thing, and it was full of cat piss. The roof was leaking, the walls were caving in, and so I eventually put in an offer for 20, and they shot me down, and then this broad bought it for 29. Out from under. If I would have known, I would have bought it for 29, right? You saw how far down the road past that trailer that is my property. And the funny thing is, watch this. Let me show you my property line. Look, there's the motherfucking stake, right? All the way up to the road. So look at how fucking, I don't know if you guys can see how close I am to their fucking property. It's unreal. It's just fucked up. And I can't help but wonder if they got fucking cameras pointed at my fucking house. You know what I'm saying? So whatever that letter was I got in the mail, once I get into the truth, we'll see. we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I gotta quit looking in that direction and stay focused on what it is I got. This little pile right here, there was this indentation. I trimmed back the my little grapevine over there, gave it a flat top, dumped a bunch of grapes and all the shit right here. So I'm hoping some grapevine shit sprouts up out of here come next season. Be kind of cool. Johnny trying to play green thumb. Are you laughing? Oh, I'm trying to. Still waiting for these motherfuckers to bring my other tank. That's a 500 gallon. I got a 1,000-gallon tank that I already paid for. And that was like 2 weeks ago. I can get one phone call to schedule a delivery, right? I called them a couple days ago and, oh, I'll let the boys know. Still, no call back. Thing about these people up here, they're in no hurry to do anything. Right, they're very laid back. And God bless them. But you know what? I gave you 4 G's. At least you can do a schedule, a delivery for my tank, right? 4 G's ain't 400. So, evidently my little walk in nature ain't really helping much. I'm still pissing and moaning. At least the view's nice. Oh, you want to go into the auto shop? See if I can scare the shit out of myself with some critters. Hey, here I come. Go wait. Critters. Critter. I never know what's gonna pop up. Yeah. Ah, there's my baby. I could put a big rig in here, motherfucker. See how tall the ceiling is? That's a little crankcase heater. All right. Open for business. Y'all have a beautiful day and a happy Halloween. Much love from me and the girls. Like, subscribe, and share. Love the ones that love you back. Do your best with the rest. Peace.